Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is the 2026 grady-white 386 Canyon. I'm going to go through just some of the nicer points with this boat. If you want a private tour of this, give me a call on my cell phone. I'd be glad to show it to you in person, 904-625-6146. But just a real quick walkthrough on it. This one's equipped with triple 450 Yamahas, V8s. Those are joystick controlled. On the transom of the boat, starboard side, large live well over here. Same on the port side. And in the middle, I really like this. No need to carry ice on board because this is a refrigerator freezer box. You want to freeze your fish, you can throw them in there, turn it down to 30 degrees, fish is frozen. You want to just use it for a refrigerator, turn it up above 32, and you've got a refrigerator. So imagine not having to lug all that ice down to your boat. Super wide. This is a very beamy boat, as you can see how much room we've got in the back of it. And a couple things that allows you to do is this triple wide aft facing seat right here. Look, with the footrest, look how comfortable this is on your long ride out. Armrests on both sides, 3 wide, and also something that you don't see a lot on a 38-foot boat and a boat in this class, 4 wide at the helm. So that's really different as well. So you've got a lot of room just because of how beamy this boat is. Those seats are super comfortable as well. Got flip down armrests on all those. We got shotgun rod holders up here on the T-top. And then this is an electric shear shade up here. So in this electric shade, with the push of a button, it's going to extend all the way back here. So this fold out back seat here on the transom, when you flip that open, that's going to be totally covered. You're going to be totally covered here. So when it says 98-degree days in the summer, you're going to really enjoy being able to get under that. And that's a really wide shade compared to some of our competitors as well. Take a look up here at a few things at the helm. So this is the joystick piloting I was telling you about. A couple big things with this boat that you might not see on some of our competitors, and you got to remember these because this is some really expensive upgrades on the 386 Canyon, is that this does have a generator on board and it has the Seakeeper on it. So both of them, make sure that when you're comparing boats that you do apples to apples and just remember some of the big features. With that joystick piloting, what else you've got with this is a remote for the Yamaha joystick piloting. So if I want to walk away from the helm, I can go back to the back. If I want to help some of the fishermen, I can put this around my neck and I can fish back there in the back and walk away from the helm. Air conditioned helm on here as well. So you got 2 air conditioning vents. Of course, down inside the center console is air conditioned as well. And for the absolute best control, this boat also has the bow thruster on it. So not only do you have the joystick, but you got a bow thruster on it as well. It'll let you take a, one last thing up here at the helm. 2 16-inch Garmin multifunction displays, and it's already got the premium sound system in it, VHF radio. This boat's ready to go as far as electronics. You may want to add, we haven't added any radar to it. You may want to add that. Well, we want you to choose that, but the Garmin multifunction display is already in there. Let's take a look down inside. So we've got, obviously, a nice size berth down here, but you've also got a microwave, refrigerator, sink, TV, all inside of a 38 center console. Hard door on a walk-in head with a shower. Here's your panel for controlling all your 12 and your 12 volt and your 110. So super easy access to get at that. You can just stand here and come away from the helm and you've got access to all those. Take a walk along the side, and when I walk along here, I want you to notice how easy it is to get to the front. No obstructions. So if you're fishing front to back on this boat, you got tons of room. You got bolsters. I'm 6'3", that comes way up on my waist. So super secure. Rod holders all along. Now if you're just cruising, you've got this area up here, and then a double wide seat right here. Again, flip down armrests. Look how comfortable these seats are. Look at how this, it just holds you in place because of the way that this is curved here. Of course, all these cushions up in the front, they're all removable. So if you're just fishing and you're not cruising, you just want to be able to get up on the front of this, throw a cast net or something like that. Super easy to do. You've got your electric windlass up in the anchor locker. There's really nothing that you need to add to this. If you want to see this boat again, call me at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm the grady-white specialist here, 904-625-6146.